Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you're here. In today's video, we are going to be replacing my lead acid battery with a lithium battery in my travel trailer. Now, this video was shot back in the fall of 2023, so around October, November-ish. It was also shot on my GoPro, so please forgive the audio. The quality of the audio is not so great. And also, if you are enjoying my content, please make sure to subscribe. If you've got any questions, please leave in the comments below. And make sure to hit that bell button so you know the next time I post a video. And without further ado, let's get on into it. Hello, everybody. Back at the trailer again. I got my lithium battery, so I am going to put it in today, hopefully. So I just opened the box and here we go. So it came with this stuff here, some literature that I'll probably maybe read, maybe not, I don't know. And then so I got the little one. Let me get it out. Okay, so it really doesn't weigh that much. Where's the other handle? There's the other handle. Compared to the lead acid battery that I have. So yeah, I can lift this with one hand. And my tripod's a little bit too big. So this is the brand we got, the Eco Worthy, more than 3,000 cycles. I thought I got a bigger one. So it's 100 amp hours. So we're going to see how that works. I'm pretty excited about it. I have to change the battery. It won't last very long on the GoPro. So take that off. Take the lid off. And, okay. So this is a lead acid battery and I got it brand new in July. But it doesn't last very long. And since we're going to be boondocking, oh, that's not very tight. Put it in my pocket. Okay, interesting. Why didn't I put these on tighter? Negative comes off first, and then the positive. Okay. And this sucker is heavy. And I'm going to get some styrofoam to put in here to keep it from moving around so much. What's this? Oh. Okay, I have to figure out this situation. Okay, so these screws came with the battery, so I am assuming that they go like thus. I cannot get the washer off because I can't. So we're just gonna see what happens here. Okay. That's one. Positive side. Okay, so let's see if it works. And it works. Very happy. Okay, so that was me installing a new lithium battery into my travel trailer. Um, and I started to kind of explain why I was doing that, and I got distracted and I didn't finish. So that lead acid battery I had bought brand new in July when I was at a music festival. I was a vendor, I was selling my jewelry, and I was having to plug in the trailer every night when we got back to the trailer because the battery was completely dead. Like lights wouldn't come on, nothing. Luckily, the fridge in the trailer runs on gas, so I had the propane going. So I thought I had a dead battery. So I had to go to the into town, which is a very little town. Things were very expensive, and I bought a new battery, thinking that that's what the problem was. Um, that wasn't what the problem was. So there are some lights on the trailer, one that stayed on kind of all the time until I figured it out. The trailer was still really new to me at the time. So, but even once I would turn off the lights, if the trailer was sitting for a couple of days with that lead acid battery, when I would go back to the trailer to try to do anything in the trailer, the battery would be dead. So I'd have to plug it into my truck to charge the battery. It was getting very irritating. And in this time period, I also learned that with lead acid batteries, you can ruin the battery very quickly if you let it discharge all the way. So, part of the plan that I had with the trailer, and still do have, is to get solar on it. And while you can use lead acid batteries for that, the fact that you can't let them discharge all the way, for me is a problem because of one, where I have it stored, two, my brain doesn't think about these kinds of things. So I need something that I can just put in the trailer and not have to worry if it gets discharged all the way. It doesn't ruin lithium batteries from everything that I had read. So that's why I got a lithium battery in there. You can use them until they don't work anymore. And by don't work anymore, I mean you can use them until they're completely drained. So and they're so much lighter. Like two of those small lithium batteries that I got weigh two of them weigh the same as the lead acid battery that I replaced. So the next plan for the trailer project that I haven't started yet, and I'm probably going to have somebody do it, is to get solar installed. So I don't need to run my generator when I'm boondocking. Even though my generator is very quiet, it's still, if you're in the middle of the wilderness or the desert, you don't want to hear that. So um, next order of business is to get solar in the trailer. So thank you guys for watching, and do all the things like subscribe, please, as I'm working on growing this channel to monetize it. And we will see you next time. Happy trails and be love.